It seems that the Ukrainian armed forces have updated the record for the cost of Russian military equipment hit by an FPV drone. The other day, the drone successfully attacked a Buk-M1-2 surface-to-air missile launcher.
We've already seen FPV drones attack and destroy T-90M tanks worth up to $5 million, infantry fighting vehicles worth several $100,000, and TOW-S1 heavy flamethrower systems worth $15 million. The new record belongs to the Buk-M1-2 SAM system.
The cost of the entire surface-to-air missile system is estimated at $100 million. To create one FPV drone, it is necessary to spend $500. But to be fair, it should be noted that the self-propelled launcher was not destroyed, but damaged. In addition, besides it, the complex includes other components that survived.